Peace to you, and thanks for tuning in. I'm just going to answer a simple question that's floating around in different fields that I go into. OL on a multimeter. What does it mean? The OL on your multimeter. The OL on your multimeter stands for over limit. That term comes from a time when all multimeters were manual range. Okay? With that being said, let's have a few demonstrations real fast. But to give further explanation, OL is over limit for the range that it's in. Whatever range that it's in, that reading is over the limit of that range. That's exactly what OL stands for. Remember that these are computers. All digital computers deal with digits, ones and zeros. Infinity is not a number. Computers deal with numbers. Infinity is not a number. That OL stands for over limit. And this is no different than these leads in open air. That means the resistance between these two leads, the resistance between these two leads is over the limit of this range, which is mega ohm. Possibly the resistance of open air at this distance is in the giga ohms. There is a resistance, and it could be measured with certain equipment. But for this particular device and in this particular range, the resistance here is over the limit. Like I said, we'll demonstrate a couple times, not too much, not to beat it too much, but it's just to answer a simple question. No argument, no negativity. Okay, so let's go into a manual range real fast, because this is not over that. This resistor right here is not over that limit. I'll demonstrate that real fast. And I cannot, am I in resistance? Yes, I am. Oh, yeah. Hold on. That's right. I'm using the wrong leads, people. I'm using the wrong leads. These leads go to this meter. These leads go to this meter. Alright. And a brief demonstration. What we got going on. Alright. Oh, it's in auto range anyway. God almighty. Manual. And we're going to go to a regular ohms. Alright. That resistor is over that limit. Real fast. Go to another range. Kilo ohms. Where's the digit? It's just a fluke 116. It's not the top of the top. So, it's still a good meter. It's over that limit. I think this is a 6,000 count. Let's go one more time, and then we'll leave this in the dust. It is a 6,000 count. And here we go. One more time, because I'm all thumbs for some odd reason. Right. You see? If I could switch that range, you see? Mega ohm. Now I'm down. It's rounding it off. Okay. 200 kilo ohms, 20 kilo ohms, and over limit. one more demonstration for those who, this is a low amp clamp. Only 100. That's low for some things. Automotive cranking amps. That's low. Okay. I do not think that. Oh yeah. Okay. Here we go. That's right. We have a little, small little setup here. Okay. It should be 70. 82. Okay. I remember 78 back in the day. Yeah. There we go. 78. Remember to get your lead in the center of that. Center as possible. Okay. Now we're looking at 5. It's in auto mode, and I do not think I have a range setting on this. I still like this meter though. And we should be getting 7.5 in this one. I'm not gonna go over the limit of this one. Yeah, it's gonna drop down. Right. Right. We're not going to get an OL reading on there. I like that. You're not going to go over the limit. I love it. Anyway. The only thing that I'm saying is I'm addressing a very widespread question. OL always is going to mean over limit. There is no such thing as infinity in concrete numbers. There is no number to represent infinity. These are computers. Computers deal with numbers. Infinity is not a number. OL does not mean infinite resistance. Okay? There is a resistance between these two leads. All right? And I'll try to demonstrate this one more time, and I'm going to leave it alone. Over the limit. Over limit. Still over limit. Now watch this as you get just close enough. Close enough. You see? Hold on. Meaning you're coming into the range of resistance because there's resistance there. A dead short. Now you're right. 100 milliohms. All the way dead short. But if you're right there, your resistance is actually reducing the closer you get. And so somewhere in there, you can get a resistance. There you go. You seen the 20.55 pop up? Anyway, my point is OL means over limit. It is over the limit of the range that's selected. This might have been a better example. Oh yeah, capacitance. That's a great one. Let's see if we can get manual range on this capacitor. I can't. It's fun. Oh, there we go. Okay, nano. Great. Remember, it can't mean infinite because there's not infinite capacitance in this capacitor right here. See? Over the limit of the nanofarad range down to the 100 picofarads. Okay?